Hello friends, so again I am here with you, and today we are going to start the series of engine components by me, Siddharth Singh. Okay, so let's start with some introduction that what we are covering in this video. Okay, so I'm zooming it out. What we are covering is crankshaft, piston and rings, rocker arm, camshaft, thermostat valve, idler gear and shaft, bearing cell, connecting rod and liner. Okay, so we are going to cover what materials these components are made up of and what are their properties. So you can see here in this next slide down, and you can zoom it out and you can pause the video and you can look all these basic properties I have provided here, and these are very crucial, these are very important part of an IC engine, so you should know all these basic things at least. So my target is to just provide a basic rough idea of IC engines to you, and I think this will help you a lot in your interview and in your education, whatever you are studying right now. So this is your crankshaft. Okay, right now you are watching a crankshaft, and this is your cheeks, this is your web, and you can see the finishing and rough part of the crankshaft. This is your front side of a crankshaft. Okay, here pulley is connected, and you can see the oil holes here for lubricating. This is your journal. Basically connecting rods are attached to this area, you can see, and that is shaft. Okay, and here this is area where flywheel is connected with the help of dowel. Okay, dowel is provided for alignment. So basically you can see this is the rear part of the crankshaft, and the material of the crankshaft is carbon steel or cast iron. You can see in the slides as well I have provided you. So this is your crankshaft basically. Okay, so you should see it, it can vary. These are very good material, made up of very good material to withstand high loads. And now we are looking at pistons. Okay, and pistons, you know the working of piston, and this is your gudgeon pin. Okay, to connect connecting rod to the piston with the help of this pin, and the upper part of the piston is, you can see here, it is crown, and the grooving which you are watching right now is crown. Okay, this is a piston and made up of alloy, aluminum alloy. So you can see here combustion is taken place in these grooves which you can see. These are known as crown. Okay, this is the topmost part of the piston. You can see the rings as well. There are 3 rings. Okay, so here gudgeon pin is connected. Okay, so lower part of the lower end of the con rod is connected here with the help of gudgeon pin. Okay, and now we are watching camshaft. Okay, so these are used to provide mechanism to the valve. Okay, opening of the valve is controlled by this rocker arm with the help of push rod. This is a thermostat valve which is very clear with its name, thermostat valve, and this is your idler gear. This camshaft. Okay, this is camshaft. Basically, this is that component which provide mechanism to the rocker arm, and the rocker arm provide mechanism to the valves, opening of the valves, opening and closing of the valve. So link between these rocker arm and camshaft is push rod. Okay, in my next video I will show you what is push rod. And this is your bearing shell, very important. Okay, bearing shell. This is thermostat valve. Actually it radiates heat energy of cooling system. These are your gears. So you can see all these components. These are very critical, very important. If you have any query, you can comment below, and you should like the video. And if you want to know more, please comment what you need. This is your rocker arm. Okay, these push the valves down while injection and exhaust mechanism takes place. and you can see all these components. And now you are watching here a liner. This is sleeve. This is the chamber which you are seeing inside it. Piston moves and combustion takes place here inside this, and this is very good material, uh, high resistance to heat. It can withstand to high temperature. And this is your connecting rod. Okay, this is a connecting rod. You can see the notch there. These are very important, and here we place bearing cell. Okay, to avoid direct contact with surface, because these parts moves very at a very high speed, and it should be avoided any kind of a direct contact, and lubrication is also very important here. So all these parts are very important. If you have any query, you can ask me, comment below, and let me know what next you want to know about ICE engine. This is honing process you are looking at. You can look the scratches there. Actually